Happy Easter, everyone. I have my family over for Easter, and it's like a reunion. And I just wanted you to get a little idea of what it's like on our Easters or all of our holidays. So take a look.
Here's all the food.
You got a lot of different guys understand they could do it. I asked him, it wasn't really his fault. I said, well, he should still pick the team up. Do first and third, 1 out. Nobody on two.
Maybe it's having the right
The ball is right here. Cook it. Bring it all easy. Oh yeah.
We're going to a lot of salt.
Solo, team. That's the thing I watch the most.
It's like the party. And I wasn't going to make
And then if you get stuck behind someone going like 20 miles an hour, that's it.
Can't pass them, they gotta just... Yeah.
It's so natural anyway. My he's like,
It was so weird this week.
you had 40 home runs already. Then you get. I agree. You gotta keep them hungry, man. I agree, but you give a short fall. You make a short contract. They don't get a contract.
That's what's left of the pizza rustica. Not very much, is it? There's a strawberry shortcake. Nanny doesn't know about it. We're gonna surprise her later when it's dessert time.
I want to watch this show. She's like my friend since kindergarten. She's like my friend since kindergarten. Jackie's been since kindergarten, right? Jackie?
Oh my God.
I don't know, tap on it and find out.
It doesn't say. Why is that?
Better have their head on a swivel the rest of the day. Yes, you're gonna be looking for me. You're gonna be looking for me behind you. You look younger. What?
I had no idea that you guys knew each other.
She was my assistant.
Until I saw she followed you.
Oh, we need to scam her. Oh. I got it. There are two.
Space is loaded.
Do you want a piggyback ride?
Space is loaded, 1 out. I know it works.
2 outs.
Right, 2 outs, Dominic. Yeah.
That's right.
Wow, that was close to a grand slam. Stay over there, would you? Got it.
Bobby, can we hit?
Nope, not yet. We have to get up and then you got it. Watch it and get up.
Who got it? You got the thing?
Use the bat.
That's roped. That's roped. That's roped. Yeah, if that ain't a home run, I don't know what it is.
You got that ball?
Pretty regular too. It's like once every couple weeks.
Kind of scary.
I love Harry. Seriously, another one sex.
I remember the pitch for Eddie. You knew Eddie? You know Eddie Sheehan? Uh-oh. But no,
I know.
it's actually been
All right.
Say hi to the camera.
Can he rename you or something? That was back when I was rename the other ones. You can just rename the other ones. He wasn't calling me. I knew it was him.
Excuse me, Caroline. You know I gave her a Starburst, Caroline, right?
Look at that pasta. Hey, Nanny. Hey, Nanny.
What?
I know. But I can bring my show to next year.
Don't touch it, it might be hot, sweetheart.
Dinner time.
Be careful.
We are right at
That's what I'm saying. I have the
Wait, are they going to do a land? That's a goat. Yeah, they forget what it feels.
Take the peeling off the yams real quick. Take a peek at it.
Those are the yams. Those look nice. She's got to make a video for the lens.
I want to take a picture of the.
Oh, look at that display. That's a beautiful display there. Look at that. Look at that.
Where do you want me to sit?
Can you stop, Caroline?
Just be in the shit.
Loading up the trunk and she saw it, so she comes running out in the street.
So she came running out because she saw it.
Leftovers for a week. Cut something out, cut something out.
Because if I do, then I won't pick up
Hi, Luke.
Hey.
It's confusing to me.
Well, that, I don't know.
All right.
How you doing?
Watch out. Gotta move, sweetheart. What's that for me?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nanny. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, go. Woo.
Strawberry shortcake.
What do you mean you hope you never did?
That Aunt Ann? And Aunt Rose and me.
Oh, that's nice.
Aunt Ann, Aunt Rose and me.
Wow, very nice.
Love to.
We have the pool.
I would love to. And then Charlie got to say goodbye to you this week.
Oh, you leaving?
Okay.
Okay.
I think they might already be in the car.
Are you serious?
I think
You gonna find out
You get some cups down.
I can.
Bye everyone. Bye. Hugs.
See you later.
I'll be back.
I should have made the coffee a while ago.
You got it for you?
Have one?
He's a switch here, huh?
My dad made this. Eddie's son.
That lefty right now. He's creamy. Yeah, he looks pretty natural. That's what he should get. If he could swing that comfortably,
That's Nanny. Just like Cabaret. And there's her on Halloween, dressed as the Lollipop Kids. Ain't that funny?
Okay, so this is the scene on a typical holiday. When I was growing up, my grandmother used to have this every single Sunday. She had 14 children, and her children had children, and we used to have, every Sunday was pasta, appetizers, chicken, or roast, or desserts, espresso coffee. This was every week. This is only on holidays now, but when I was a kid growing up in East Harlem, when I was 6 or 7 years old, this was every Sunday. It was unbelievable. And it was, I wish we could go back, but unfortunately we can't. Anyway, this is a glimpse, a small glimpse of what our Sundays were like. Hope you're having a great Easter. I know I am. I got my sisters, God rest their souls, children here, and we're having a great time. I'm so happy they're here. I'll talk to you next time. Happy Easter, everyone!